Hi everyone, my name's Cathy. Welcome to Skint Living UK. I just wanted to show you my latest craft project. If anyone knows me or watches me regularly, you know that I always prattle on about reusing denim because a lot of clothes end up in landfill. So I like to use denim because it's cheap. It's really robust and it's everywhere, it's abundant, so you can pick up a pair of jeans for £1 or so. So this is the back of a cushion I've just made. I use a method called tie bleaching. Love this mottled effect. That was just scrunched up and put in a bucket of watered down bleach. And this is the back, so I've made an envelope backing. I've used a piece of seam to make the loop, and this was a spare button from a button box. I hand sew these. It's just something I like to do while watching the telly. Some people do slow stitching. I make cushions. So this is the back. So wait till you see the front. Here's my cat sitting over there watching. And this is the front. So I've used pieces from various bits of denim from different jeans that I've bleached in different patterns, as you can see. This is like stripy ones, and this one little piece reminds me of comets or stars in the night sky. And the best bit in the middle is I've used the seams off the denim jeans, so I've made a basket weave type design. So I did the ones going across first and fixed them to a piece of fabric down the side. Then I wove all the pieces going this way next, and then I fixed them all at this end. And then I put patches all the way around to make the cushion bigger. And this is what it looks like. I'm so pleased. It took me ages because, like I said, everything's hand sewn. And it uses up lots of denim that would have ended up in landfill. And I just think it just looks so good. I'm really pleased with it. That's why I had to show you, because I just thought this is my favourite one so far. It's about 22 inches wide. So it's a bit bigger than usual, and I just think it looks really good. So let me know, do you use denim at all? It's great for all kinds of crafting. I use it for upholstering as well. Over the next month or so, I'm going to be reupholstering my trunk in my bedroom. I'll just show you it. I did this 5 years ago, silver and black to match the room. But as you can see, the cat's had a good scratch at it over the last 5 years. So I'm going to paint it white. And I'm going to do the lid in denim. So I've got to get more jeans now because I basically used most of it up. I've got black denim that I've bleached, but I want blue because I want my room to be silver and blue. So that's my next project. That's not DIY, just crafting. So let me know what you think. I just love this weave. So robust. It'd make great placemats if you made it a little bit bigger. But as you can see, all the different colours. Grey, bleached, blue, mid-blue, and some dark blue in there as well. So there you go. A cheapy cushion, just made with a little bit of effort and a bit of slow stitching, as they call it these days. So bye for now, and please like, share and subscribe.